Hi everyone, so today we're gonna go on a paddle boat. We have never been on a paddle boat and it's really exciting. Lucas has been wanting to go on one for a while and we're gonna try it out. You ready?
Lucas, where should I go? That way?
No, that way.
Behind me?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm facing this way.
Let's go to here.
Behind me?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to go that way?
Okay, yeah, go that way. Is it hard?
Yeah.
Yeah, is your legs getting tired?
Totally.
Are you gonna work out?
Yeah, it's a free workout.
It's a free workout.
This is better than buying the
Hey Lucas. Lucas, look at me.
Wow, look how far we are.
Lucas, is it fun? Yeah, do you like this?
Is it that truck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Little booba head.
I feel like it would next time we get one, it needs to be like a bigger one.
Grandma!
Say hi to grandma. Look at the water, so calm, right? All the little ridges. Lucas, look that way.
No recording you first.
Oh.
Lucas having fun? Look at daddy.
Look at
What's your favorite part?
What's your favorite part?
All of it? That one?
Everything? You like everything? Yeah. I think my favorite part is just that it's really relaxing.
Oh yeah,
You know?
for sure.